experience, no pain. Overall, I'm very happy with it.
Years old and came to see us 6 months ago at FUE Hair, and he had quite extensive balding, as you can see here. And today he comes back 6 months later, and you can have a look. This is in 6 months' time. The regrowth is very good. It's quite dense for 6 months, and in fact I would say even at 1 year it is very good. He had underlying scalp micropigmentation, and you can see here this is a hairline. Here, turn to your left, please. Turn your head, sir. Turn your head this way, please. If you turn around, please, completely. And this is the donor. The donor has healed extremely well after the FUE, with no evidence of scarring as you'd expect.
It was an easy experience, no pain. Overall, I'm very happy with it.
And have you had comments from friends and family?
Yeah, everyone, a lot of people have noticed it right away. They said it looks great. The hairline would made a big difference. I'll definitely be coming back to do the top as well.
And what about in terms of confidence and other things?
Oh, huge difference. Right away, even with my family and stuff, before I would have to wear a hat and everything everywhere, but now it's because of the front, like you said, I should have done the front first, which definitely helped.